Dear PhD students, our today's topic is what is sampling. Actually, this topic is linked with your previous topic, how do ecologists work. This sampling is also a technique or a methodology or the way which is used by the ecologist. And in this technique, they get an idea of the big picture by studying the small portion of that big picture or the entire area or the population. And suppose you as ecologist you want to find out the population of the nipa palm tree in the mangrove swamps, which is a huge populated area of the nipa palm trees, and it's not possible to count all the plants of that specific area. Then as an ecologist, what will you do? They have told you the methods, they have told you the ways. What will you do? First, you will count the number of the nipa palm trees in one small unit area in different parts of the mangrove swamp. As one sample they have shown over here, the small unit they have taken, and in different portions they randomly they will take, like you can take small portions, and you can count the number of trees in these small areas, and then you will take an average, and by taking the average you can easily find out the number of populations of nipa palm tree in a mangrove swamp. In this way we can, as ecologists, you can find out the, you can get the picture of the large populated areas. So sampling is the way. In this way the ecologists take the small portions, and they can estimate the rest of the population of that specific species. And these samples must be randomly, mean it must not be take of the overpopulated area, then there you will get the overestimated number of that species. It must be random, and in all areas and in small portions the ecologists take the samples to find out or to count the number of population of the plants or the animals. Another ways ecologists have, sometimes they use the tools to help them the sampling, and for this way they use a device that is called a quadrate device. This device, here over here they have given you the brief picture of the quadrate. It's a portable frame, you can take from one place to another place easily, you can hold that frame. It's of the rectangular or the square shape. It has, sometime its length is 1 meter or all sides, and sometime the frame have 0.5 meter length of all sides. And inside there is a small portion just like the grid. And with the help of these small portions, the ecologists study the small crawling animals. They can easily count the crawling animals in these small squares, and then they will take the average, or they can count the samples of the small grass like plants with the help of this quadrate. And this is a device which is used by the ecologists to study or to get the idea of the population of the large populated areas.